back at Big Joe's Outdoors. Today I'm gonna be doing some rabbit fajitas. So I got my rabbit meat. I started cooking, just getting the pan hot, getting the rabbit meat started. I got my onions. Onions and bell pepper. Let me make sure everything's good, because this is crazy. Yeah, we gotta get it down here where we can see. Yeah, I got my onions and my bell peppers. We're gonna go ahead and throw all that in there. I already chopped the meat up inside. It was already deboned rabbit meat, and seasoned it with some taco seasoning, just straight up taco seasoning. So that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy. Rabbit's good, versatile meat. I got it in some bigger pieces because it's usually tender, and I think this was a younger rabbit. I just gotta get her cooking down. She looks good though. And while we're cooking that, we're gonna be making a beer salad. Let's see if I can get this good and focused. All right. What goes in beer salad? First off, cheap beer. Because this is going to do the most damage to foaming up. One 16-ounce beer. I've been snacking on quail eggs today, so just a few quail eggs, because you got to have your protein in your salad. A few shots of Crystal hot sauce. Brand new unopened container of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, I don't know how it's said. That stuff. Probably wouldn't hurt to put some in here too, huh? Yeah. Spice it up. And the salad part. Hot pickled okra. So, I didn't bring a fork. But a little pickle juice. A little pickle okra juice. Throw some okras in there. Chickens, I guess, get to eat pickled okra. And then our tomatoes. This is the cheap stuff. And that's it. Stir the rabbit meat around. I like this little Coleman cooker. I wanted to get some onions, but yeah, didn't want to spend the money at the store. So this stuff is good. It's good just to cool you down. It's hot today, of course. That is the spot. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off, because this is just normal cooking down, just waiting for it to all be completed. I'm not gonna over brown anything. I like the flavor of rabbit, and I don't want to overpower it with the burnt, with any over burnt stuff. You can brown it however much you want. I just want my onions to start turning clear and my rabbit meat to be cooked. So I'll see you when we're ready to start putting the fajitas together. The good part is when you get to the bottom of it and you got your eggs and a couple of okra left. Let me show you how to make another one. I'm gonna make it again. There's no real recipe to it. It's just enjoying what you got. A little Worcestershire sauce, a little pickled okra, a little crystal hot sauce. And it sounds like the rabbit's almost done, so we're going to go ahead and top it up with the tomato juice. So we got something to drink while we're eating our rabbit tacos. So let's turn this off. Yeah, it's all crispy enough. Beautiful chunks of rabbit meat, and bell peppers and onions, taco seasoning, good stuff. A little bit of that. These tomatoes. I didn't bring no cheese. I thought about it. Yeah, I was like, nah, didn't need it. It would melt by the time with all this heat today. Luckily, this is staying cool. Just a shot of sour cream. And there we go. This is a keto-friendly wrap, a low carb one. I think I can eat 3. All that's close to low carb. This probably not as much. The salad pushes the limits. But this is it. Big old chunk of rabbit in there. Super tender. Sour cream, probably could have used a little more seasoning. I kind of went light on it because I didn't know. Bought a big thing of taco seasoning and it's been hard to judge it. But it's rabbit tacos. Got some sweat in my eyes. I said rabbit tacos. That's rabbit fajitas. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.